Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 12.1-inch Tesla style screen, touch screen RPS. It builds in DSP amplifier, special for universal doubling. Okay, it will come with ISO harness, just ISO harness. You can check this cable for ISO connector, ISO harness. Okay, today let me introduce this Tesla style universal. Okay, you can check this DSP amplifier. It supports balance. You can adjust and EQ. EQ you can adjust any view. And this strong bass. Okay, this sound field you can adjust. And sound presets. Jazz normal and other you can set, and the filter, low pass and high filter. Okay, let me back the home. It's there built-in microphone and AUX and USB and reset call on this head unit. Okay, this is front panel. This volume and Bluetooth. It has navigation, radio, music, Bluetooth, movie, and AUX, app, cam, file manage. It's built in the link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This is the link Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And built-in Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. Okay, let me check the settings. This is navigation, apps, GPS, date and time, language, dimmer, user setting. You can check split screen and the other touch tone, parking, tracking layer, and temperature, brake detect. You can check this information to set in the settings. System info, you can check Android 9 Pie system. It's RAM 4GB, ROM 64GB. This is 64GB, yes. Reset, install set, steering wheel control, touch key, and set radio. More settings you can check built-in Wi-Fi and storage. You can check this total 64GB. And let me check the about tablet. Tablet you can check Android 9 Pie system. Okay. Let me back the home. Okay, let me show this radio. This up and load this full screen. Okay, this full screen and this radio. There are no sound. You can, because I do not test in the car or connect the speaker. It's music. Let me check this. Connect this two USB cable and total 3 USB cable. The USB ports on head unit. Let me connect this cable and test USB. Okay. This is a USB driver. Let me connect one of the USB ports. This USB, you can play music from USB. Next, it will display picture. Random and this DSP amplifier. Okay, this is Bluetooth. You can open the Bluetooth from your phone. Okay, click search button to get the search. Let me check this A to D4. Click pair button. Your phone will get command. Please click OK. Okay, it shows Bluetooth connected, but it will show the information will show allow context listing. This phone book context listing. If you allow it, it will show context listing. Okay. Okay. This audio B2 pair and you can choose delete. Oh, this keypad you can make a phone call. Yeah. Okay, make a phone call. Okay, hang up. It will work with phone call and Bluetooth. Let me connect. Okay, it's working with stop. You can check stop play. It played. Working with stream music from your phone. Okay, for this Bluetooth movies, you can check. You need to set it in the settings because this is for your safety. So, let me find the settings. User setting, you can turn off the brake detected off and back. You can check it. Play USB. It supports 4K sensor and 4K demo video. Wrote the word. It's 4K video. PRP. Okay, this is video. Car Auto, this is Android Auto and CarPlay. You can connect by USB. Settings, AVX, and please download the Play Store. Okay, this home. You can adjust this front panel and any view. You can check. Okay, any view. Okay. Okay, you can check this front balance. This movie. It's 4K. It's volume. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.